Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I will show you how to share live location on Google Maps. This is very easy, so let's start this video. First open your Google Maps application. Now click on the top right corner. Click on location sharing. Now click on share location. Now this menu will pop up. In the suggestions you have the contacts which you want to send the location on, and down that you have the social media platforms on which you can send the location to the people. And on the top there is an option saying share your location, real-time location for 1 hour. So if I just click on this add button, the hours will maximize and you can maximize them up to 1 day. So I just want my location to be visible for only 5 hours, so I will just stay on that for 5 hours. Now if I want to send a location on Gmail, so I will just click on this Gmail option. Now over here you have to write down the email to which you want to send your location. So I will just you can write down any subject. Now click on this send button on the top. So this is how you send the location to anyone on Gmail or any other platforms. After the person who you have sent the live location to, when he will open that link, he will see your live location for about 5 hours. So this is how it works. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.